Champions of the Earth, the United Nations' highest environmental accolade, honors 6 inspiring leaders whose transformative work is helping us confront the challenge of land degradation head-on.
Os povos indígenas, como guardiões do planeta, né, guardiões do clima, né, precisa ser muito mais valorizado, né?
This is the story of transferring desert into fertile living soils.
There's nothing greater that I could do with my life force and in my lifetime than protect my river, protect our fish, and rebuild it for future generations.
What we must have is inclusive development and inclusive nature conservation.
我希望这个全球要携手治理荒漠化，因为环境问题是没有国界也没有边界的。
Our only weapon is the science and the truth. We need more people to learn science and the truth and to use them as a leverage for change.
Join us in celebrating their work. Together, we are all Generation Restoration.